Today we're going to use our smart pixelator and create one of our favorite characters, Bluey, from the hit Australian TV show. Now that has just come to America and we are totally hooked. Thank you so much, Smart Pixelator, for sending us all of these beads and pegs and everything we actually added to our collection because we're constantly playing with this set. It is a great gift for the holiday season. Marcello, my son, loves playing it and I do too. So let's get started. We're making Bluey today on our Smart Pixelator. My Pixelator beads are actually darker than Bluey's colors. Please forgive me that the colors are not accurate. Hopefully our next go at it, it'll be better than ever. We're gonna make the whole family. If you have any ideas of what and who you want me to make next, let me know in the comments below. The Smart Pixelator is so much fun. Love it. So it's these last two.
Okay.
I'm gonna probably fix up the ears a little bit, but so put these last two black ears.
Why are you fixing the ears?
I just want to fix it up just a little bit. Oh, my mouth seemed right. Ah! You did it. Good job. Ah!
No.
It's all right. We got it. We got it.
Don't.
Okay. What do you think?
It's very, very good. Wow. Wow.
All right, now let's iron it. All right? The moment of truth. Oh, I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What do you think?
He's very, very good.
Yeah? Does it look like Bluey?
It definitely does.
Yeah, you think so?
Oh, turn around, turn around. That's it. Mom. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Bingo! Dun, 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 dun. Bluey!
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great
great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.